Point Program, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore. Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering student represents reduction in energy consumption. Energy conservation made easy. The top 10 ways to save energy. Introduction. The electricity consumption in commercial places like universities has tremendously increased recently. Modern and advanced energy efficient appliances are highly needed to substitute the conventional ones. Energy saving is of great importance instead of its wastage, as utilizing the energy efficient reduces the cost of energy. Energy consumption varies for commercial building due to several factors such as electrical appliances usage, etc. Due to the advancement in technology, there are new emergent appliances that are of high efficient and has less energy consumption.
Adjust your day-to-day behaviors. To reduce energy consumption in your home, you do not necessarily need to go out and purchase energy-efficient products. Energy conservation can be as simple as turning off lights or appliances when you do not need them. You can also use energy-intensive appliances less by performing household tasks manually, such as hand-drying your clothes instead of putting them in the dryer or washing dishes by hand. The behavior adjustments that have the highest potential for utility savings are turning down the heat on your thermostat in the winter and using your air conditioner less in the summer. Heating and cooling costs constituently nearly half of an average home's utility bills. So these reductions in the intensity and frequency of heating and cooling offer the greatest savings. There are tools you can use to figure out where most of your electricity is going in your home and which appliances are using the most electricity on a day-to-day basis. Replace your light bulbs. Traditional incandescent light bulbs consume an excessive amount of electricity and must be replaced more often than their energy efficient alternatives. Halogen incandescent bulbs, compact fluorescent lights, and light emitting diode bulbs use anywhere from 25 to 80% less electricity and last 3 to 25 times longer than traditional bulbs. Although energy efficient bulbs are most expensive off the shelf, their efficient energy use and longer lifetimes mean that they'll cost less in long run. Save on energy bills with solar.
Use smart power strips. Phantom loads or the electricity used by electronics when they are turned off or in standby mode are major source of energy waste. In fact, it is estimated that 75% of energy used to power household electronics is consumed when they are switched off, which can cost you up to $200 per year. Smart power strips, also known as advanced power strips, eliminated the problem of phantom loads by shutting off the power to electronics when they are not in use. Smart power strips can be set to turn off at an assigned time during a period of inactivity through remote switches or based on the status of master devices. Install a programmable or smart thermostat. A programmable thermostat can be set to automatically turn off or reduce heating and cooling during the times when you are asleep or away. When you install a programmable thermostat, you eliminate wasteful energy used from heating and cooling without upgrading your high voltage AC system. On average, a programmable thermostat can save you $180 per year. Programmable thermostats come in different models that can be set to fit your weekly schedule. Additional features of programmable thermostats can include indicators for when to replace air filters or high voltage AC system problems, which also improve the efficiency of your heating and cooling system.
Purchase energy efficient appliances. On average, appliances are responsible for roughly 30% of total household energy use. When purchasing an appliance, you should pay attention to two numbers: the initial purchase price and the annual operating cost. Although energy efficient appliances might have higher upfront purchase prices, their operating costs are often 9 to 25% lower than conventional models. When purchasing an energy efficient appliances, You should look for appliances with Energy Star label, which is a federal guarantee that the appliance will consume less energy during use and when on standby than standard models. Energy saving differ based on the specific appliance. For example, Energy Star certified clothes washers consume 25% less energy and 45% less water than conventional ones, whereas Energy Star refrigerators use only 9% less. Reduce your water heating expenses. Water heating is a major contributor to your total energy consumption. Other than purchasing an energy efficient water heater, there are three methods of reducing your water heating expenses. You can simply use less hot water, turn down the thermostat on your water heater, or insulate your water heater and the first 6 feet of hot and cold water pipes. If you are considering replacing your water heater with an efficient model, you should keep in mind two factors: the type of water heater that meets your needs and the type of fuel it will use. For example, tankless water heaters are energy efficient, but they are also poor choice for large families as they cannot handle multiple and simultaneous use of hot water. Efficient water heaters can be anywhere between 8% and 300% more energy efficient than conventional storage water heater.
Install energy efficient windows. Windows are significant source of energy waste. They can add up to 10 to 20% of your total heating bill. To prevent heat loss through your windows, you can replace single pane windows with double pane product instead. For homes in colder regions, gas-filled windows with low E coating can significantly reduce your heating expenses. In addition, interior or exterior storm windows can reduce unnecessarily heat loss by 10 to 20%. You should especially consider storm windows if your region experiences frequent extreme weather events. In warmer climates, heat gain through windows may be a problem. In addition to minimizing heat loss, low E coating on windows can reduce heat gain by reflecting more light and lowering the amount of thermal energy that enters your room. Depending on where you live, Energy Star windows can save you $20 to $95 each year on your utility bills. Window shades, shutters, screens, and awning can also provide an extra layer of insulation between your home and outside temperatures, leading to even more energy conservation.
Upgradation your HVAC system. An HVAC system is composed of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. Heating alone is responsible for more than 40% of home energy used because home is in northern region are exposed to much colder temperature during the year. Energy Start gas furnace having different specifications in the northern levels of the United States. Upgrading to a US South Energy Start certification can save up to 12% of your heating bill, or an average of $36 per year. Energy Start furnace in northern half of USA are labeled with the standard Energy Start logo and up to 16% more energy efficiency than Michelin models, in translating to average saving of $94 per year on your heating bill in northern US. Air conditioning by compression isn't significant contribute to energy bill. On average, it only makes up to 6% of total energy used your home. Energy Start central air conditioner unit are 8% of more efficiency than converting models. Air conditioner systems are usually integrated with heat systems, which mean that you should purchase your few furnace and air conditioner at the same time in order to ensure that the air conditioner performs at its maximum rate of energy efficiency. Upgrades to third component of HVAC system, ventilation. Ventilation can be also improving your energy efficiency. A ventilation system is composed of a network of ducts which distribute hot and cold air throughout your home. If these ducts are not properly sealed or insulated, the result energy waste can be at hundreds of dollars to your annual heating and cooling expense. Proper insulating and maintaining of ventilation system can be reduce your heat and cooling expense by the 20%.
Weatherizing your home. Weatherizing or sealing air leaks around your home is a great way to reduce your heating and cooling expense. The most common source of air leaks into your home are vents, windows and doors. To prevent these leaks, you should ensure that there are not crack or opening between the wall and vent, window or door frame. To seal air leaks between the stationary objects such as the wall and window frame, you can apply for cracks between moving objects such as operable windows and doors. You can apply weather stripping and are simple or air sealing techniques that typically offer a return or investment in less than a year. Air leaks can also occur through opening in the wall floor and ceiling from plumbing, ducting or electrical wiring. Air leaking out of your home is most often from the home interior into your attic through small openings, whether it is through ducts like flexures or the attic hatch. Hot air will rise and escape through small opening as the natural flow of heat is from the warm to cooler sufficiently insulated to full amount of saving from the weatherizing. You should consider fully insulating your home.
Insulate your home. Insulation plays a key role in lowering your utility bills through retaining heat during the winter and keeping heat out of your home during the summer. The recommended level of heat resistance or R value for your insulation depends on where you live. In warmer climates, the recommended R value is much lower than for buildings located in colder regions like the Northeast. The level of insulation you should install depends on the areas of your house. Your attic, walls, floors, basement and crawl space are the 5 main areas where you should consider adding insulation. Use the home energy saver tool for recommendation based on the specification of your home or find general regional recommendation on the Department of Energy webpage on insulation. Conclusion. Energy efficiency is the wave of the future. An energy efficient home is a personal step towards the direction of renewable energy, environmental protection and sustainable living. Having such a home helps homeowners reduce their bills and provides an excellent investment.